Hi, so glad you're in the kitchen with Mom's Pretend Cooking Show. On today's episode, we're making pancakes. Best pancake recipe ever. My mom clipped the recipe off of a buttermilk container years ago when my brother was a baby. That was a long time ago. I've been making this recipe for years. My kids love it. We affectionately call it Nana Cakes because the recipe is from Nana. If you don't have buttermilk, that's okay. I hardly ever have buttermilk hanging out in my refrigerator. I use soured milk. It's a great stand-in. I'll show you how to make it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make the soured milk because that needs a little bit of time to sour. The recipe calls for 2 cups of buttermilk, so we'll need 2 cups of this soured milk. You'll put 2 tablespoons of vinegar into a measuring container that holds at least 2 cups. 2 tablespoons. And then you'll add milk up to the 2-cup measure. Give this a little stir and we'll just set it aside and we'll let it do its sour thing. Now let's start our batter. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. I am using table salt. We'll whisk this together. In a smallish bowl, crack 2 eggs. I am going to wash my hands to get the egg stuffs off. Don't want to be spreading around little egg yuckies. Whisk up the eggs just to break up that yolk. Take your soured milk. Add it to the eggs. Little whisk. Add it to your dry mixture. Give this a little whisk. You want to break up the clumps. There you go. We will add 2 tablespoons of butter. It needs to be melted, so I'm going to melt it. 30 seconds in the microwave took care of that. Add our melted butter. Whisk that in. Got our batter made. That was easy. Now we'll take it over to the griddle and I'll show you how to griddle them up. All right, let's make some pancakes now. My batter has been resting for about 10 minutes. My pan has been heating over medium-low heat. You might find that the heat is something that you need to play with while you are making the pancakes. And very rarely does the first pancake ever come out right. Usually the first 2 or 3 is when you're figuring it out. I use 1/3 of a cup. And if you don't have a griddle pan, a skillet like this works just fine. Pour the batter in. And I use the measuring cup to kind of spread that batter out. I also keep a plate nearby, which is where I rest the scoop when I'm not using it, because if I put it in the batter bowl, it will disappear and it will become very battery. And I also don't want to put it on my counter because that's more cleanup and I like easy cleanup. So I just put it on a plate. Easier to pop that in the dishwasher. When you're watching the pancakes, you want to look for the edges to start to dry and for the bubbles to break open. That's what we're looking for. And it's okay if you take your flipper and kind of do a little peeky poo and see how it's doing under there. You want them to be golden brown. Let's take a peek. Ah, look at that, starting to get golden brown. Push that back down. I've got a few bubbles breaking open. I think I'm going to flip them. Oh, it's perfect. It's like I've done this before. There you go. We're making pancakes. When you make pancakes, obviously there are going to be more coming. If you have a plate and a clean dishcloth, put the done pancakes on the plate and cover them with a dish towel, and that will keep them warm. I find that the second half tends to cook faster than the first half. There's the underside. There you go. We made pancakes. Easy peasy. Now we have about 20 more to go. There you go. We made pancakes. Enjoy.